Even with all the COVID restrictions in place, you all demanded that I hold a meeting, so here we are. For the record, I do not want to be here, and I still don't understand what I am doing here. I think Mark really was pushing for this meeting because he's lonely. That's basically true. Doc, you've got some here. Oh, this is just some white lightning for later. Matt, I see that you're the only one who followed the guidelines and wore a mask. Yeah, I thought we were supposed to wear a mask if we caught coronavirus. Wait a second, you have the coronavirus? Yeah, I was in a 30-guy gangbang the other night, and some f***er coughed on me. You've got the Rona? Yes, for the 1000th time, in addition to AIDS, I also have corona. You've got AIDS too? Nope, I'm out. I'm not catching both of those. Did you say you were in a 30-guy gangbang? Yeah, but you know, most of them wore rubbers, and besides, it's okay, because in California, they changed the law, so it's only a misdemeanor if you knowingly pass on HIV. It's no longer a felony, so I'm good. I'm out too. Matt, I wish you luck with your treatments. Jesus Christ, and I thought Mark was f***ed up. Campbell's Coins here. I really failed this mail call Monday. For starters, I forgot to hit record, so I opened up everything and talked into the camera for a good amount of time, and it wasn't recording. You know how awesome of a feeling that is? Pretty awesome. Anyways, let's get to this. This is a already open box from Avenue Coin. Coming up. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Really appreciate it. So this is actually a two-part video. One part I filmed about a couple weeks ago. Haven't posted anything to it. I'm just going to combine it with this one, so you'll see it form, or we'll just start right after this. It's just part of this long video here. Anyways, purchase something from Avenue Coin. They are a excellent dealer in Stockton, California, and I'm based in California, so I enjoy buying from semi-local stores. They shipped this, I bought a slabbed coin, and they shipped it really, really well. As you can see, everything was, well, I guess you can't see that now, but everything was sealed. Every edge was sealed. Nothing was untaped. Lots of tape on this thing in a crush-proof box, which is excellent. And then when you shook it, you couldn't hear anything rattling around inside. That is great. It took me a while to actually get into this box because it was so taped up well. And that's good too, because you don't want some sticky fingers to get in there. Anyways, let's just get to what came out of that box. This, it's a gold coin, but what is it? It's a 1924 St. Gaudens, graded Mint State 65 Plus from PCGS. Common date coin. There's a few of these out there, more than a few, but a really, really gem example. You can see the cartwheels on this thing from a mile away. Super, super luster bomb going on here. Geez, it's really nice. A really nice sharp strike. You can see everything in great detail. So this is a this is just a prime example of a 1924 St. Gaudens. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this one. I love pre-33 gold, and it's actually one of the things that I will constantly be on the lookout for and purchasing, because there is always a lot less pre-33 gold than there is any modern bullion. All right, let's move into the next video. What's up everyone, welcome to Campbell's Coins. I have another unboxing for you today. This time I got something from Avenue Coin. This is a coin shop that is based in, oh, kitty. That is based in Stockton, California. And, get out of here, George. And they had some things for sale and I couldn't pass on them. Sorry, that was really stuck together. Still is. So, excellent packing job. And then, as you can see, very nicely packed in here. Let's go ahead and drop that off. I think this one, oh, these are my Morgans. All right, let's get to this. This is how you should package up any type of holdered coin, any graded coin, because the capsules, these holders can crack and break and stuff like that. And when you wrap them up like this, it protects them. And I appreciate that they went ahead and did that. Okay, let's just start off with the Morgans. An 1883 O, mint state 63. Nothing supremely special about this one. I just was trying to add items to my order. But it's still a very nice coin, and actually it looks a little slightly off, like a rotated die. Maybe I just am looking at that funny. Huh. Can you guys see that? It looks a little extreme, looks like a rotated die. Here we have an 1885. This one is a mint state 64. Here we have an 1882S in 63. It's got some crazy, interesting toning across the obverse and the reverse. And I know you can't really see a whole lot. Here's one. We have a 1898 O. Mint state 65, deep mirror proof like, and holy moly, you can really see that. This is a very, very clean coin. A little bit of frostiness coming through. And then the one that I really, really wanted and was really interested in is the 2016 commemorative. This is the 100th anniversary of the Walking Liberty design, and they struck it, the US Mint struck it in a ½ ounce of gold. I thought that was really cool. And then I got some just raw Morgans that I saw on their website and I really liked. Anyways, check them out. It's Avenue Coin. And they have an eBay page. I'll list their Instagram handle in the video here, but I highly recommend them. Obviously, they package well, communicate well. Great guys to deal with. That's gonna do it for me. This is Campbell's Coins, and that's my 2 cents.